For excitation, we needed to give a signal for excitation for working. So we will see how to assign a wave port, and we will see how we can assign a voltage or current signal so that oscillation will start and our design start radiating. Here it is in a ground plane. On top of this is substrate and there is a patch. First I will change axis to YZ. Draw in a rectangle. It must touches the patch and ground of our design. Patch and ground of design must touch with a port. Now from here assign excitation wave port. Just click in the middle of rectangle and assign direction. Because top direction is because we are exciting the patch. From here you can see that the wave port has been assigned. You can also assign other ports as well. Like this port. In this port we have to define two different directions for TE and TM. If we are working for TE and TM modes, we will define two different directions. Direction must be create some angles between them. Here you can see that both are defined. You can redefine it if there is any error. You can redefine it. Now again see. Here you can see that TE and TM mode. You can also adjust according to requirement and also frequency. Whatever mode you needed, you can define that much number of modes for excitation. And here you can check if you are assigning this port for TE mode or TM mode. Click on finish. Here you can see that in project window port has been assigned. Now we are assigning another port. Like in a voltage signal, because it is an excitation signal. You can also define it as a phase. You can define phase and magnitude. Here you can see that voltage signal has been assigned. Similarly, you can also assign a current signal. You must add the magnitude and phase. In coming designs, we will see how a design affect by assigning a different port and what is the appropriate design for an appropriate wave port. And then we will differentiate between all these ports.